Hello fellow crocheters, today we are going to crochet a simple handbag with zipper. First is to prepare the materials. We have a total of 4 braided yarn, 4mm hook, zipper about 8 to 9 inches, yarn or thread, needles and pins for sewing, and the usual crochet tools. To start with the base, chain 12, then add 2 chains, flip, and start single crochet on the third bump. End the row with chain 1, then flip and single crochet each stitch. Repeat this process for a total of 36 rows. Complete the base, start with 2 single crochets on the first corner, then start single crochet on each hole and stitch. Repeat process on remaining corners and sides. For the bottom part of the bag, chain 1, then start single crochet on back loops. Slip stitch and off round followed by chain 1 and single crochet each. Repeat process for a total of 8 rounds. For the middle part of the bag, slip stitch and off round 8 with the new yarn, then single crochet each. End the rounds with a slip stitch followed by chain 1. Single crochet each and repeat process up to 19 rounds. The top edge starts again with a slip stitch with the new yarn, followed by chain 1, then single crochet each. End the round with a slip stitch, flip and work on the other side. For a decorative edge of the bag, start with a half double crochet followed by a slip stitch. To start with the zipper gusset, pull about 30 inches of yarn for later use in sewing the gusset to the bag. Tie slip knot, insert hook in chain 10. Then add 2 more chains, flip and start a single crochet on the third bump. End the rows with chain 1, flip and start single crochet each. Repeat process up to 3 rows. On the 4th row, single crochet only on 4 stitches. Repeat this up to 38 rows. Skip 2 stitches in the middle and do the same process on the other side of the zipper gusset. To sew the zipper on the gusset, secure it with pins and sew with running stitch to and from the starting point. Secure the zipper gusset to the opening of the bag. Insert the yarn from the gusset into the needle and sew with the running stitch. For a pair of bag handle, begin with 4 chains, add 1 chain, turn and start single crochet on the second bump. End the row with chain 1, flip and start single crochet on the next row. Repeat process up to 94 rows. To make the bag handle rounder, start sewing on the 6th pair of rows. Sew to and from the starting point. Tie a knot and hide the remaining yarn. From the yarn ends, count and mark the center by clipping the 12th and 37th edge bump. To attach the bag handle to bag, start by counting 4 bumps from the center. Secure with a crochet needle and sew only on horizontal stitches. Do the same process on the remaining bag handle. And here now is the dimension of the bag and the abbreviation of stitches. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.